Welcome to the world of event planning in the digital age. Social media is your secret weapon for creating unforgettable events. First up, leverage social media platforms to build excitement before your event. Share sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes footage, and countdowns to keep your audience engaged. Use Instagram Stories or Facebook Live to give real-time updates and interact with your followers. It's a great way to build a buzz and create anticipation. Next, create eye-catching event pages and posts. Design visually appealing graphics and write compelling captions that capture your event's essence. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Hashtags help people discover your event who might not already be following you. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Building a community around your event helps foster excitement and loyalty. During the event, encourage attendees to share their experiences using a unique event hashtag. This not only spreads the word, but also creates a buzz online. Finally, post-event, share highlights and thank your attendees. Showcasing the success of your event helps build credibility and keeps the conversation going. Remember, social media is more than just a tool. It's your platform to showcase your creativity, connect with your audience, and make your events stand out. So go ahead, make social media your ally, and watch your events become the talk of the town. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!